Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about EEPROMs, one of the most important elements and topics in airbag ECU repair. We're going to answer to 10 important questions. What is an EEPROM? What do EEPROMs look like? What are the commonly used EEPROMs in SRS ECU? What is the size of the memory in EEPROM? How to identify EEPROM pin number 1 and count pins? How to identify EEPROM in SRS ECU? How to find correct direction of the EEPROM on the PCB? How to properly solder and desolder an EEPROM? How to read data to EEPROM using a programmer? Common errors and mistakes in reading and writing EEPROMs and how to solve them. Let's start. What is an EEPROM? EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is a non-volatile memory that is used for storing minimal data quantities in airbag ECU. Also, crash data information, coding, and configuration data are stored in this memory. What do EEPROMs look like? Here you can see some examples of EEPROMs. As you can see, EEPROMs are usually 8-pin chips. In this picture you can see 2 EEPROMs on SRS ECUs. EEPROMs are marked with red circles in the image. What are the commonly used EEPROMs in SRS ECU, and how to identify them? EEPROMs are identified by the number printed on them. For example, you can see 95160, 95640, and 93C56 EEPROMs in the picture. EEPROM with masked numbers. In some EEPROMs, number is not printed exactly, masked. Therefore, you need information and experience to find EEPROM number. Here is an example. On the left hand, chip is 93C56 EEPROM, but printed number is L56R. On the right hand, chip is 93C66 EEPROM, but printed number is C66WP. In order to have full access to the video, enroll in the most complete and advanced airbag module repair training course offered by the ARMHEX Center. Don't miss this opportunity and hit the market and develop your business now, otherwise, your competitors will do that. All information, methods, and secrets of airbag module repair are included in this course. We offer a 1-month money return guarantee, free technical support, and a traceable certificate of completion.